Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to unlock your MI account if you have forgotten your password. MI accounts are crucial for accessing various Xiaomi services such as Mi Cloud, Find My Device, and many more. If you've forgotten your password and are unable to log in, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock your MI account if you've forgotten your password. So, let's get started. Method 1. Using MI account recovery. The first method we'll discuss is using the MI account recovery feature. This method is the most straightforward and will help you recover your MI account password in just a few simple steps. First, visit the MI account recovery page on your computer or smartphone. Then, enter your registered email or phone number associated with your MI account and click on the Next button. Enter the verification code that was sent to your registered email or phone number and click on the Next button. You'll now be prompted to enter your new password. Enter your new password and click on the Submit button. That's it, your MI account password has been successfully reset. Method 2. Contact MI customer service. If the first method does not work, you can contact MI customer service. To do this, visit the MI support page and select your country or region. Then, select the Contact Us option and choose the Chat Now or Call Us option. Explain your issue to the customer service representative and provide them with the necessary details such as your registered email or phone number. They will guide you through the process of unlocking your MI account. Method 3. Factory reset your device. The final method is to perform a factory reset on your device. This method will delete all data and settings from your device, so make sure you have a backup before proceeding. First, turn off your device. Then, press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously until the MI logo appears on the screen. Release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until the recovery mode menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option and select it using the power button. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. And that's it. Those were 3 methods to unlock your MI account if you've forgotten your password. The first method is the easiest and should be your first option. If that doesn't work, you can try contacting MI customer service or performing a factory reset on your device. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.